Tai O, one of Hong Kong's most popular destinations for tourists, is famous for its conventional fishing village, but people also come here for a group of adorable living creatures around Lantau Island. They are known to be one of Hong Kong's most representative animals. They are the Chinese White Dolphins. Chinese white dolphins are born gray. They attain their white or pink color when they grow up, but the population along the Chinese coast is unique for its pink color. The coastal areas of Pearl River estuary, including Hong Kong water, is the main habitat for them. However, in Hong Kong, an alarming decrease of population was observed in the past few years. From 2003 to 2012, the number has declined dramatically from 158 to 61. Several factors have been affecting the dolphin population, including coastal development, water pollution, overfishing, and heavy marine traffic. Tourism is another threat to dolphin. In Tai O, the sightseeing boats there disturbs the dolphins a lot. The blades of the engines can also scratch the dolphins. However, the tourism is demanded from both the economy and the public education aspects. Local people earn their lives through this, while public also need to know more about the dolphin conservation. So, how to balance the damages and the benefits of tourism? We interviewed two specialists about this.
So, in my study, we actually did not suggest to stop it, even if we saw that there are significant differences, because we saw that time is also a factor, and there is a specific time when the effects are not significant.
According to Dr. Barriga's study, tourism influences the texting and traveling of dolphin most significantly. Limiting the visiting time to the morning can minimize the effect of the most. Besides, the engine's size and the distance between the boats and the dolphin group should be also controlled. Next, we asked a staff from WWF to explain what they are doing in reality.
On one hand, we try to provide the interpretation service. So we want to provide more knowledge to the tourists. So on the other hand, we also are collaborating with the operators, saying we try to really follow the code of conduct to see if we can minimize the disturbance to dolphins.
More importantly, coastal construction projects are having a comprehensive and enduring impact through several ways. Over the past 20 years, at least 2,000 hectares of dolphin habitat in Hong Kong has been damaged or destroyed through construction. Unfortunately, we might witness more serious damage in the upcoming years due to two large-scale projects, Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge and the third runway of Hong Kong's International Airport. The two large construction projects will occur simultaneously for 2 years in Lantau water. Without doubt, it will cause a serious damage on dolphins' habitats, which can never be eliminated. What government and other related organizations can mainly do is to compensate its impact by other peripheral means.
Now, I think the important thing is we should keep monitoring and keep doing the research on the dolphins. A few years later, we will have more marine parks for the Chinese white dolphin. So at this moment, it's still the preparation stage. We would like to really have a better idea or a suggestion on the management.
The case of the construction is a representative example of conflicts between environmental protection and economic development. Usually, it is extremely difficult to find a perfect solution, especially in areas like Hong Kong with limited natural resources. It is almost impossible to terminate some essential projects only for their impacts on animals' habitats. However, we can never stop looking for the best way to minimize the damage while ensuring the development of societies. All in all, it is not just about the value of existence of animals like Chinese white dolphins, but also the ecosystem that we all live in.